Ila-ila mo dyan.
Pwede rin anak sa ina.
Oo, ganahan kasi daw. Ika pa. Mura naman kong kanding.
Ay, hindi ko may
Ano nga pa?
Saan ka?
Busog naman guro kayo ni sila.
Bawal tok-tok ko ng glass. Agitated. Tulong din sila kabo. Tiguan nila po eh. Tiguang na kayo na sila ba?
Wow, we read years, pink miles, and before. What years day? Ito. Pwede siya maambak, no?
Nagkiang-kiang lagi siya.
Huwag nga na siya mulakaw.
Mura dyan.
Balik.
Ano na siya?
Kay routine mo ron daw. Ga-exercise.
Balik na sad. Ano din?
Buhatan next story ba?
Kana ganing naka sa atop sa inyo ako yun. Handumanan
Sa kaawi.
kaamit.
Ang baro. Stand up.
Oh, look at that.
Naku, ano kung ba? Saan mo nagpag-patient?
Bigyan.
Mura sa siya giro. Mura sa siya giro bitaw.
Yeah. And yet they say there's no relation.
Really?
Yeah, between the dog and the big dog. They say you think there is, but there's no genetic relationship at all.
Kakit anak niya.
Hirap lagi, no?
Mura na bagbuutan tanaw. Musunod baka sila inig presentation niya.
Lumi. Basta mamarog ang balibo may murag mamaak manguan bi lami. Naon sa iya mata? Ano? Action lang ako kuan. Lolo. 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 Ika pa. Di guro na ang kakuan.
I-search na nato bi.
Ali, be, picturean ka na. Ali, pusing, picturean ka. Uy. Scratch pa siya.
May mahaw na kang kanding.
Dali, pusing kay, picturean ka, dali. Picturean ka, tita.
Ano? Baba. Ay, kita kasi ang baba.
Duhara iyang ipon. Nilaps iyang ipon.
Manghinaw sa ako.
Bye-bye. Ato na ka? Ato na siya.
I got 1.8. I got 1.8.
Ang say ka lang.
Walo lang. Kita na.
Si Crocs.
Sila.
Ha? Oo, sila.
Mo din na lang tingin.
Pati doon siya.
Friends na ta. Kaon siya.
Couple of weeks, and they do look pretty miserable during the process, and they don't eat too much while they're doing it either. But on the other side of their mulch, they have all beautiful new conditioned feathers, and they look really gorgeous again. Penguini's being very, very sociable today. So when they swim too, they do also have what's known as counter shading. So when you look from the top, they're a lot darker, which helps them with aerial predators. And when you look up from below, they've got the white tummies, which help them camouflage from the animals below as well, which is really helpful. You have some more? He's starting to do a little flipper shake, so I know he's really quite full. I think he's just being really sociable. Hi. Queenie's kind of thinking about it, but he actually had 6 fish for breakfast, which was more than anyone else. So he's eaten quite a lot today. So you might see them preening. Penguini's thinking about having some more lunch. You will notice them preen. They'll basically get the oil from that gland and they'll put it all over their bodies. And that helps keep them waterproof as well. So when they swim again, keeping the water out and the warmth in. Every year they will do what's...
Matog pa man sila.
Sa penguin. Ay, gusto. Parang dito sila
Ikan ko ayo. Nang isa dito ay gabarog. Kami kangaroo. Giduka lang na siya. Sige, isad na. Shy na siya. Makakuan ra kami? Check the bear. Si hagaon ay. So most of the time, kung di sila magkaon, matogra sila.
Hindi ta.
Kansi mo to sa akin na.
Kanang isa ay, na. Dako nag-agi.
Ato mong sili, uy.
Uy,
Bisihan yung kaon ay.
cute. Ay. Dira kay ko ay siya.
This next in line to the road. She thought that she could get a little ahead and try and open the road to Nilla. It didn't go very well for Asha. Nilla was very merciful, but she made Asha spend the better part of a year sitting in the corner outside of the group, and then when she let her suffering on her way back in, Asha had to green to Nilla and Nilla went into her way back to the group. Now, in year one, lockdown one.
Surala, ila. Ah, hala.
Hindi ay. Pili ba yun na sila mag-stay? Paano siya di? Paslan ko.
Yan yung siya tinanawa na.